Hey divas, it's Amy here with another video. So today's video is about this look here. It's a popular spring trend I saw that's on Pinterest. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so to start, I am gonna go ahead and go in with my primer. The primer I'm using for today is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I have been loving this. I have dry sensitive skin, so this has really been helpful under my makeup. It does give me a nice little lit from within glow. It has like a moisturizing texture, so I feel like it sinks in better with my fingers. And rub that in. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do them off camera and then I'll come back. So now I am gonna go in with some eyelid primer, the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. I like to usually go in with my finger and rub this all over, but my allergies are really bad, so I'm not gonna go in with my fingers because it's probably just gonna irritate my inner corners. So I am gonna go in with one of my Real Techniques brush. This is an OG, like one of my first brushes. So a moment, and I'm just gonna rub that in to the Rose Putty Eye Primer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my lid. I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. Just like I only use this really for like when I go into the base when I go in for me. So I'm using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush to go in with a base color all over my lid. So I'm going to go into the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to go into Tempera. Just getting that on all over my lid. Alright, our base is on. Base is loaded. I don't know why I said that. So, the palette that we're gonna really focus on today for today's look is from the Crayon case, and it looks like this. This is the package it came in. Ba-da-ba-bam! It's called their Watch Me Blush palette. So the packaging is really, really cute. Now, the reason I picked this item is because it says on their website that you can use all of the colors in here, not only for blush but for eyeshadow. So that's really what I want to test out. So for the spring look that I want to achieve, the colors in here are awesome. So this is what it looks like inside. So we're gonna go ahead and check out the colors. It does come with a mirror. So these are the 10 colors that come in the palette. So I'm taking the Luxie 227 blending brush, and we're going to go into Strawberry Cream. And I'm going to apply that to the middle center part of my lid. So like right along here. So I'm going to tap it first. This is my first time using these colors, so I don't know if there's going to be a lot of fallout, but we haven't done any of the foundation or the full face yet, so we're going to go ahead tap that in right up until here, right until the crease. Blend that through. I don't want to take it too far in to my inner corner or too far out because we're going to go in with the other color. So we're just going to really focus this in the center. Tap it in, build it up. I'm going to take a tapered blending brush. This is the Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. So looks like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and go into Outsider. Okay, tap that out and apply right here in this outer V. So I'm going in with like small circular motions. You don't want to go past the brow, like this part here. I'm trying to bring it in. So instead of going out, I'm going from my outer V in and like a little bit over the pink. Go back into Strawberry Cream and blend that over it. just to blend the two colors so that they're merging together. So there's no product on this brush. I'm just blending all of that out. So now we're gonna go into Old Banana, this yellow shade with the Morphe N431 brush, and we're gonna apply that on the inner corner. So I already started applying that product in and blending it up into the center of your eye where the pink is. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back in with Strawberry Cream to layer that on top again in the center. And blend that out. Then we just want to make sure everything is layered and blended into each other. Plot twist, I had to change directions and change my camera format. It just was this whole big thing. So anyway, we're gonna keep going, pretend nothing ever happened, because it didn't. Nothing happened. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off camera. I'm just gonna repeat whatever I did on this side to this side. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my highlight. So I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Luminizing palette. So it's just set of 6 highlights. Again, I'm gonna go into this white. So I'm going there. Yes, honey, yes. My foundation of choice is the Born This Way, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, which is medium to full coverage, and the color I'm using is light beige. I did self tan, so I'm usually a lot paler than this. I'm hoping that this is still gonna work because it's the darkest foundation I have right now. Makeup gods, come through. I usually use a sponge, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this with a brush. So this is the It Cosmetics brush, and this is, it says number 101. It's like really fading out, but so it looks like that. So I'm gonna just squirt a little bit, put 2 pumps of the foundation on that, and I'm gonna go ahead and doop doop doop, and then work that in to my skin. I think it might work. All right, so I'm gonna go into my Urban Decay Naked Skin concealer. Okay, so I've got my Real Techniques complexion sponge, I believe it's called. So I wet that, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. Because I have really dry skin, it's not like really dry, but I have dry sensitive skin, so I'm not gonna bake. I haven't really been baking. Sometimes I'll apply a little bit if I really want it to last the whole day, but I'm really just doing this look for fun, so I'm not gonna wear it all day. I'm gonna go ahead with my LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the color, I believe it's Toffee. I was close. Toffee. I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster, and this is the color medium to dark because this is pale right now. Pale. So take that in here. I love the Physicians Formula bronzers. They're so good. They're so good. The butter bronzer is also like my go-to. I don't really use this one a lot because the color is a little bit too dark for me, but for the sake of the complexion issue we're having right now, it should help. This is the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in Always Punchy. Always Punchy. Oh, I was supposed to use the blush from the Watch Me Blush palette. I don't know if I would use these for blush. I really feel like I would just use them for eyeshadow. Maybe this cranberry color, but really lightly. Like, let's see. like really light, like really like a whole clown. Let me go in with a different brush and I can't get it out. This is great. This is great. Absolutely great. Great. Awesome. Fantastic. Wow. So let's just even it out on the other side. Yeah, no, absolutely not. We'll not be using this as, no. Look at that. It's stuck. It's just there. It is just there. Absolutely not a blush. Not. I'm a clown. Set this, whatever happened, I'm just gonna go ahead and set it with the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. It does give me a nice little glow, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with that. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte brush and just tap that and just go in. Okay, so to finish the eyes, we're gonna go back into the Watch Me Blush palette. So I'm taking the same brush that I was using from before when I applied the Going Bananas, Old Banana. I'm going bananas. With the Morphe M431 brush, I'm gonna go back into Old Banana. So it's the same brush we were using before. On the inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and put that here on the outer bottom part of my lid. So right in here. I'm gonna put that also right in here, but not all the way. Bring that a little bit on the outer V and then bring it in. I'm gonna go into the strawberry cream color. We're gonna put that on the lower lash line, but like right only in the center. Let's go back in on the top, on our lids, to just like really try to make everything pop again. To continue with the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some black eyeliner just to align my inner lines. So the NYX Jolie gel pencil liner in pitch black. So I'm just tight lining, and I'm starting from the outer corner in and staying really close to my actual like eyelashes. I'm not gonna put it on the bottom. I'm actually gonna go in probably with my white eyeliner on the bottom because white eyeliner brightens and I could definitely use that for this look. So the NYX Retractable Eyeliner in white. Looks like that. Love it. And just gonna apply that on my waterline. Okay. Yeah, see, that helps so much. You see how like it brightened right under here? Yes, black would not have done that. It would have been a whole different look. So for mascara, I have actually been loving this Essence Lash Princess. It says it's a false lash effect. False lash effect mascara. So since I'm not putting lashes on with this look because it's just not the vibe for it, I still want something to give me volume and all that jazz. So I try to like close my eye when I put on mascara. If not, the mascara from the lashes gets on my lid and I'll be stressed out. I'll get that in the bottom lashes. Yes, honey. Honey. Honey, money, honey, money, honey, money. Right there. I love this Luminizing palette. Like, it's just so convenient because it has all these different colors. Sometimes I'll just brush, I'll take the highlight brush and just go into each color. right here on the Cupid's bow. Boop, boop. Alright, so for the lip, I'm gonna go ahead first and wipe off. I have some makeup, some chapstick, some of the lip mask ones, like just wipe some of that off. So I'm gonna go in with this Dose of Colors liquid matte, I believe, and it's the Truffle color. This one is a perfect like nude for me, with like still giving me a hint of something. So I did moisturize my lips again, and then I wiped it off. My lips be dry, y'all. And did you notice I didn't put lip liner. Now I just need to set it. Let's go in. I'm gonna go in with the MAC Prep and Prime. You know what it is. It's the MAC spray. I've used the Urban Decay All Nighter. I love that one too. That one's like my second one that I go to after the MAC one. I didn't really like the Morphe setting spray. I feel like there's mad hype, and yes, the spray, like the mist, was really fine, and I did like that. But I feel like I went through that bottle like water. I did like this palette for eyeshadow. They blended really well. The color payoff is amazing. I love all the colors, that I can get so much use out of this palette. The mirror is great, like it's really light and sleek. Love the palette. Don't love it for blush. Absolutely not. Like I did blend it out, but I just wouldn't see myself grabbing this for blush. Alright divas, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if there's a palette that you've been loving that's worth trying. I'll see you in my next video.